Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain. Previously I shared a big bullish reversal setup of Vechain with you. That was a harmonic setup, and this was the chart that I shared with you, and I also shared here for my members at the Patreon when the price action completed this final leg of the bullish bat. Right now the price line has completed another bullish reversal setup, but there are some supports the Vechain needs to save them. Then it can also follow that bullish setup as well. Let me show you this pattern first, and this was, by the way, on the weekly time frame chart. And I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the chart, and you can see the price line completed this final leg, first completed here and moved down again in this a potential reversal zone or buying zone of this bullish bat on the weekly time frame. We also had very nice support of weekly 50 simple moving average, and below the buying zone we had the weekly 100 simple moving average. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line reversed bullish, hit the sell zone, moved up to 15.7 cents, and now it is moving down again. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame, previously when I shared my previous video, at that time the price action broke out this 25 simple moving average. Right now we can see that we are below 25 weekly simple moving average, and we are just moving down to test the 50 simple moving average weekly once more. Previously Vechain tested this 50 simple moving average here, and once more it is moving down to test this 50 simple moving average. And at the same time, if I show you the different support and resistance levels, which I have already shown you in my previous video as well, these are the significant support and resistance levels. We can have some other support and resistance level on the short term time frame charts, but these are on the weekly time frame. Major support and resistance levels. Here we have this 6 cents. This is our key support. You can see after when this level was broken out and this rally was started, so far after March 2021, the price line is not able to break down this 6 cent support level, and we have a very nice rally from this after getting bounced by this 6 cent support level. Now our next support was 13 cents. That was previously working as a resistance. Right now you can see that the price line is breaking down this support of 13 cents, and our next resistance is at 15 cents, and this is our final resistance at 26.6 cents. Here I want to show you one more harmonic move, and that is the cup and handle formation. The price line has formed a cup and handle. You can see that this is the resistance that I have been showing you previously, but right now this is also the breakout point for this formation of the cup, and this is the body of the cup, and this is the handle. And right now the price line is moving in the handle, and if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price action is moved at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. If we will have a closing, the weekly closing below this level, then the price line can invalidate this cup and handle formation, and it can move more down to the next support level. However, right now we can see that we are at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level of this body of the cup. The ideal situation is that when we have the 50% retracement of the body of the cup, that is 0.50 Fibonacci retracement up to this level. Right now we are at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, but we can also expect a reversal from here because this is the golden ratio at the same time as well. And if we will have a breakout from this cup and handle, then our next imminent target can be, if I place this trend line here from this bottom of the cup up to this breakout point and place it here at this breakout point or resistance of 15 cents, then the next target can be approximately at 23.8 cents. Now if we move to the daily time frame chart to see how the handle is formed, because sometimes the handle is formed as a channel, or sometime it is formed as a triangle or pennant. Then we can see to the downside we have this support that was started from here, and we have few touches at the support like here, and we also have few touches here as well. But there is a gap. You can see there is a big gap, but we have so many touches here. We have one more touch here as well at the end of this handle of the cup, but it is not a so much perfect channel. If I place the resistance, you can see that it is more likely to be a broadening formation than channel. However, we have found the resistance, which is more likely to be here, because here we have so many touch points. Like if I place it from here, we have some touch points here and some touch points here as well. So once the price line will break out this resistance of the handle of the cup, then we can expect that it can move up to break out this breakout point of the cup as well. Like previously, the price line moved up and broke out this resistance, tried to break out this 50 cents resistance level and the breakout point of the cup as well, but could not break out and move down, same as like the Stellar did, and move down back inside the handle of the cup. The Vechain also did the same and moved down inside this handle of the cup again. Right now there is still opportunity for the breakout. There is still a chance for the breakout because it's still moving in the handle of the cup. But if this support will be broken down, I'm repeating it again, then we can move to the next support at 6 cents, and that is our key support and very strong support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me here in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.